Good morning, dear students of St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Class 2, Subject Conversation. Conversation is an oral subject. Open your Gentle Conversation book. Open page number 31, Chapter 13, Weather Conditions. Let us discuss Chapter 13, Weather Conditions, given on page number 3131. So the name of our chapter is Weather Conditions. Weather conditions means climatical conditions. The teacher discusses with the student what kind of weather they like most and how one type of weather differs from another. In this chapter, the teacher discusses about different kind of weather the students like, and she wants to discuss how one type of weather is different from another. So let us read this conversation between student A and B. Student A: it was not very cold yesterday. Yesterday means previous day. How do you find it today? Now student A is saying that the previous day it was not very cold. So for today he wants to know from student B that how did he find it today. Student B says it's quite cold today. So student B is saying that comparatively it is quite cold today than yesterday. Student A: yes, it's freezing cold today. Freezing cold means unpleasantly cold today. Now B says, you are right. It's worse than yesterday. Means B says it is more cold than yesterday. Okay. A: which are the winter months in North India? B: November, December, January. Students, we are also living in North India, and North India is near to Himalayas. So that is why North India is more colder than South India. So in North India, the winter months are November, December, and January. Next, A: is it very cold in South India also? B: no, it is very pleasant and fine there during winter months. B says that in South India it is very pleasant and fine during winter months because South India is far away from Himalaya region na? That's why there is not that much cold there. Now students, please turn your page, come to page number 3 to 32. A: is the sun shining brightly today? A is asking that is the sun shining brightly today? B says yes, it is. B says yes, the sun is shining very brightly. Feeling sunlight is very pleasant in cold weather. B says that in winter season, or you can say in cold weather, sunlight feels very pleasant. Okay, and student, one more thing, sunlight gives us vitamin D. So we should for some time sit under the sunlight. A: which places do not feel very hot in summer? Now A is asking about the places that do not feel very hot in summer. Summer is the hottest season na? So there are some places that do not feel very hot in summer. B replies, places like Mumbai, Goa, Bangalore, Pune, etc. Summer is not so hot. Okay, so students, in this A was asking about the places that do not feel very hot in summer. So there are some places like Mumbai, Goa, Bangalore and Pune that do not feel very hot in summers. A. Which weather is your favorite? Now A is asking B which weather he likes the most. B says, I like rainy weather a lot. A. Why do you like rains? Now he is asking the reason why B likes A rains the most. B says, after summer, rain makes it so cool and pleasant. Okay, so this is the reason. That's why B like rains. A. Do you like getting wet in the rain? B says, oh yes, I float paper boats and walk in the rain. B says that he likes to get wet in the rain as well as he loves to float paper boat in rainwater. Next, A. I love the cold weather of winter a lot. Now A says that A himself like cold weather of winters a lot. B says, yes, I also find winter quite nice, but nothing like rains. But here B says that he also likes winter season, but not more than rainy season or rains. Next, A. Don't you like spring? Now A is asking to B that you don't like spring season. In A's opinion, spring season is so pleasant and colorful. B says, yes, we can see so many flowers and greenery around. Now B says that he also likes spring seasons, as in spring season we are able to see so many flowers and greenery around. So that was all there in chapter number 13. Homework: read chapter 13 from your Gentle Conversation book. Thank you and have a nice